Hey guys, it's Kiramarie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be going through a theme that I had done a while ago that I wanted to eventually show you in my YouTube that I really enjoyed, and I have put them up on my Instagram, and the theme is called Feathers. In this theme, I was going to draw portraits of people and then have feathers kind of incorporated into the piece. So the outfits could be made out of feathers, or the eyelashes, the lips, the hair, anything that will just kind of show that these are feathers, and also put in colors that will represent feathers of a peacock or feathers of a particular bird. So that's what I wanted to go with, something that when I'll look back and I'll see all these different portraits of people that I had drawn that all have the theme of feathers in it. The reason I decided to do a theme was because on Instagram and on YouTube, I see a lot of artists that are always posting and putting up images of them going off of a theme. So it's like it could be a draw this in your style, or drawing web browsers as people, or drawing male YouTubers as female YouTubers, or so on and so forth. And I felt like maybe doing my own thing, making my own type of trend up, so that I can, I don't know, maybe create a movement or something. I don't really know, but that would be really cool. So I decided, you know what, I haven't seen this done, so I thought, you know what, let me do feathers. And I thought feathers were cute, so I just decided that let me go and look up online and find some feathers of peacocks and other types of birds and use that and put them in the piece. And that's how I made this whole feather theme. So I started drawing a portrait of a woman, and then I had on the side next to me pictures of feathers, so that I can refer to that when I was going to put it as earrings and as the eyelashes, so I can look at it next to me and be like, okay, so this is what the feathers look like, and this is how they kind of flare out and everything. And I really did have fun making this piece, like, I'm not going to lie, it was so much fun because it was a new thing and very different for me to try out, and I do like to experiment, so doing something different made me so happy. And just kind of experimenting, like, I wasn't trying to make anything perfect, I wasn't trying to be like, oh, I need to upload this, so I need to put it on my Instagram, so it has to be perfect. Like, I wasn't thinking about, oh, I'm gonna upload this. I was just doing it for me, just to see like how it would look, how it would feel, trying to do something out that I would never really do, that I wouldn't really, well, not that I don't experiment, but doing something in terms of a theme like with feathers. Like, I haven't done anything like that before. So I do hope that you like the whole finished piece when you see it at the end of the video. So I kind of want to talk about what I liked about the piece, and one of the main things I really liked is what you'll see nearer the end of the video, is that I put in blue colors. The whole theme is, yes, it is feathers, but the colors of the feathers, I made them all blue. So you'll see the eyelashes, the earrings, the lip gloss, the eyeshadow, the background, everything is all blue. So with her skin tone being quite warm tone and her hair being yellow as well, I liked the fact that it was all blue as well in the background, like it was just a contrast, and I really liked how it melted together. It worked really well. And so far I have already done 3 feather portrait paintings, and they all have different colors. So this one is blue and other ones are all different kind of block colors. So the next video, I don't know if it'll be after this video, but soon into the future I'll show you my other video of my feathers and show you like the other color that I've done. I have uploaded them on Instagram, by the way, if you want to check out the actual pictures. My Instagram is kiramarieart at Instagram, and so you can go on there and you can see all the different pictures of feathers that I have done, but also you can, you know, see the other types of drawings that I've done as well, because I am going to be making more and more videos, and so I have already done pieces already that I have uploaded as an image on Instagram. So the videos and the process of them will be on YouTube soon. Since I had already talked about things that I liked about the piece, I just want to briefly just talk about the things that I didn't like so much, but will, you know, in the future try and improve on. So the thing that I didn't like so much is if you look at the eye on the left hand side, it is not proportionate. It looks like it's coming inwards into her face, and it's meant to be going outwards. So the eye and the eyebrow is meant to be going off to the left, but it's coming inwards, and I didn't know how to kind of edit that. I was really trying hard to kind of make it go the other way, but eventually I was like, you know what, at the end of the day, it looks pretty, so I was just like, you know what, let me just leave it as it is. Another thing that I did find quite frustrating is also the nose. So the whole drawing actually looks kind of 3D except for the nose, and the nose is the thing that makes it look so flat in 2D. I really did try to find a way of making the shading of the nose look like as though it is kind of 3D like, but that just makes it look flat. Like whenever I look at it, that's the thing that draws me to how flat it is and how it just doesn't, it's not looking the way that I would have liked it to. But in the future I know what I should do, how to rectify it, but honestly I was really trying hard to kind of change it, but it's okay, it's fine. So I'm really happy I got to talk to you guys about this new theme that I was trying to work on. Honestly, I haven't done a lot more of this feathers theme. I will try and do more. Let me know in the comments on what you think about this feather theme, and let me know on what other type of people you want me to draw, like men or women or kids or older people. That would be quite cool. Also, if you want to follow me on any of my social media, I'll of course link it in the description below. Follow me on TikTok and Byte. I do little short videos on TikTok and Byte. I am getting views and some followers, and I would like for you guys to come and follow me there as well, because that will help me out. And also I just really have fun making those videos, so go ahead and follow me there. And also of course follow me on here on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, because that will also help me. But please let me know in the description what other videos you would like to see of mine, as I am trying to figure out what other types of videos I should do. I mean, I have loads of videos ready, but I just want to know, like, as for my subscribers, what types of videos you're interested in seeing on this channel, so I can get that going. And so this is the finished look of the piece. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Again, in the comments let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and follow on all of my social media sites, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.